Government is in its final stages of constructing affordable houses for the low-income earners and the poor in its efforts to upgrade slums in urban centers. The over 640 billion project rolls off with construction of 2,500 units for health workers at Mulago Hospital, who are apparently facing housing challenges. Lands Minister Daudi Migireko says the 2- and 3-bedroom houses will be constructed through public-private partnership, and his ministry will provide land.
It is true we are having a huge shortage of housing in the country. And as a ministry, working together with National Housing Corporation and the Ministry of Finance, we are trying to see how we can overcome this.
This means the cost of housing, which has hindered low-income earners from owning homes, is likely to go down. Apparently, the construction sector is booming, but unfortunately, low-income earners are finding it hard to own houses, considering that plots of land are overpriced and building materials have forced many to abandon their houses at either the foundation stage or the ring beam.
Once we engage National Housing Corporation and they develop housing at a massive scale, because of competition, even the houses provided by the private developers in the private sector, the cost will come down, their products will come down, and the rental will generally come down.
The construction sector in Uganda is also characterized by brick and mortar methods, which planners believe is out-fashioned and costly.
You never get decent housing by using brick and mortar, and especially where the labor industry is not controlled. So government has to intervene and come up with other ways of facilitating alternative.
Besides low-income earners, the poor living in slums across the country as well are to benefit, especially in Wakiso, Jinja, Kabale, Soroti, Arua and Mbarara.
We have got a slum redevelopment program, and what we are trying to do is, one, sensitize the people who are staying in these areas.
Government is to construct 1,000 units in Lira, 1,500 units in Wakiso and Jinja, 500 units in Arua, Soroti and Mbarara. The plan comes on the emerging need to own houses by many who unfortunately cannot afford, thus mounting poorly planned structures that have resulted into slums like Katanga in Kampala. Samuel Ngambwachi, WBS News, Kampala.